Thank you for visiting EmpireSecurityCameras.com. My name is Kyle, and I'm here to show you our cloud feature that's available in our OEM, DVRs, NVRs, hybrids, and IP cameras. This cloud feature will allow you to view the devices over the internet without the use of port forwarding or static IPs. The first step is going to be to take a look at the devices that are on the network and change some of the IP addresses if necessary. Now, this upgrade tool is available on the CD that comes with any of our products. You need to install the upgrade tool first and then do an IP search, and this will show you all the devices that are on our network. By default, all of our products ship with a default IP address of 192.168.1.10. You can see that right here. We're going to select that device and change the IP address. Let's change it to 1.9 and then hit modify. This will allow you to change the IP address for this device that we're going to be looking at. So 192.168.1.10 is by default. We changed it to 1.9. So when we do an IP search again, we should see that there is no 1.10 and that there's only a 1.9, which is right there. Okay, so once we've changed the IP address, then we're going to use Internet Explorer. We're going to go to xmi.net and we're going to work on the cloud service. It's www.xmeye.net. Once we visit this site, there's a few things that we have to do. The first is we're going to have to check to see what version of Internet Explorer we're using. You do that by hitting the Internet Explorer settings and then About Internet Explorer. We're running right now Internet Explorer 11. If you're running Internet Explorer 9, Internet Explorer 10, or Internet Explorer 11, you must add this xmi.net website to the compatibility view sites. So we're going to hit the tools, we're going to go to compatibility view settings, and we're going to make sure that this site is added. Once we do that, we can close. The site will automatically reboot, and we're back. The second step is we're going to have to go to this link at the bottom right. This is download. Click the download. It'll ask you if you want to run this. Click yes. Click run. And this is the ActiveX program that's required by our equipment in Internet Explorer. We're going to click next, click next, click next, and it's going to install it to our computer. Okay, then we're going to hit finish. Alright, now that we've completed those steps, we can go into the guide. We're going to click Enter Guide. This is going to bring up a wizard that will allow us to take a look at devices that are on the network and start the cloud service. Okay, there's our device 192.168.1.9. We're going to select that device. We're going to click Next. This message from web page is going to say IP address sync with local PC or not. Since we've already changed the IP address previous to using this wizard, we're going to hit cancel. That way the IP address can stay 192.168.1.9. We're going to click Next again. Then you have the option. Do you want to add this device to your account, or do you want to go to the website directly? For this demonstration, we'll go to the we'll access the website directly. So we'll click Next. It'll load us up into xmi.net. It'll connect to the device, and then we'll see all the options that are available for this particular device. Now, this is a 24-channel NVR. We do have a couple cameras hooked up. So this interface should look the same as the interface as the DVR or NVR is connected directly to a monitor. So all of the buttons and different options should be the same as if you were viewing this directly from a monitor. Another benefit of this is we can go into the playback if we wanted to. We could go to and actually do some device config. Now keep in mind, we're doing this all over the xmi.net website. We did not have to set up port forwarding, and we did not have to set up any IP address, static IPs, or DDNSs. This is all done through the website xmi.net. Okay, so let's close out of here. We're going Okay, we're going to click Enter Guide. I'm going to click Next. Select the 1.9. Hit Next. IP address sync the local PC. We're going to hit Cancel. Again, we've already set up that IP address before using the wizard. Click Next again. Now we can add this to our account. So before we selected get access to the website directly, now we can add to an account. We've already registered. Our username is Empire Security Cameras. Our password is lowercase PASSWORD1. And for alias, we'll just put Empire Security Test. After we do that, we're going to hit Next. The end. Let's log in and take a look at the wizard, the My Devices screen here. So now we're still on xmi.net. We've logged into our account. You can see we have a couple of devices here. The first one is an IP camera. So we're going to select that from the left-hand side. It'll connect to the device. And now we can view this particular IP camera. From here you can do playback if the IP camera has built-in storage, or you could device config. You can change the encoding, the IP address of the IP camera. Just keep in mind, again, this is done all through the xmi.net website. No port forwarding is required, no static IP is required, DDNS is not required. So this is the IP camera. We're going to switch to the NVR. We can take a look at the NVR here. Once again, the same type of menu that's in all of our products. So it's pretty standard throughout the entire user experience. We have a couple of IP cameras hooked up to this particular NVR. And we're able to view them over the internet without port forwarding or static IPs. So that's a brief overview of the cloud service. You can connect multiple devices, view multiple devices at the same time. This is just a feature. It's a free feature on all of our equipment. And if you have any questions about it, please email us at empiresecuritycameras@gmail.com or give us a call at area code 914-338-8639. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.